see 5 simple exercises to tone legs. Okay? Smooth legs, strong legs. These are the exercises. This, no good. This one, good. So let's find out. Exercise number 1. We are going to do lunges. Lunges is one of the basic exercises for toning our legs. Let's go 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are 20 lunges. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Exercise number 2, we are going to do squats. We're going to make 20 squats. We need 3, 2, 1. Let's go into squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those are 20 squats. Legs. You need strong legs, nice quads. You have to do this routine. Okay? Don't forget to comment down where are you following from Zambia, Zimbabwe, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, USA, UK, Germany. Put down a comment section where are you following from. Exercise number 3, group bridge. Let's bridge glute 20 times. Okay? Write down. Let's push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 glute bridges. Okay? Now we are going into exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, we are going to drop into ourselves into a jump squat. Okay? In a 3, 2, 1, guys, stand up. Let's go and we burn our legs into a jump squat. 20 times. It's very simple. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 jump squat. Alright? It's a little bit burning, but we have to finish this session. Only one exercise remaining, and it's up and down. We go down to our knees, and then we stand again in the squat position, and we finish 20 reps. 3, 2, 1. Guys, work out with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clap for yourself. Like the video. Put down the comment where you're watching from. See you in the next video. We are going to work on our glutes, hips, and bum booty. See you.